Hello friends, welcome to Big Learning Club. So in this tutorial, I will show you how can we know the total number of words in this file. So actually this is a rich text file. So now I just close it and this is a rich text format and you can create any text file. So it doesn't matter it is .txt or .rtf. So at first just open VS Code and here this is my essay and now I just create a Python file count words dot py. So at first just create a variable number of words number underscore number of underscore words 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 equals 0. At first number of words 0. And now just open this essay.rtf file. If you have essay.txt file, it doesn't matter. Just open it with open. Now just open this file. Open essay.rtf EASSY essay.rtf. Obviously open it with read mode. That means R read 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 mode. And now just type as file, open it as file. Now type all underscore data. This is a variable. And now file dot read, and now read this file. And now type here a variable total words words. This is a variable. Now total words is what? Data, not data, all data dot split, all data dot split. And now just type this number of words variable. So here just type number of words, this variable num number of words plus equal length of, that means length of total words. Okay, so num of words, this is this variable, and here num of words plus equal length of total words. That means num of words equal num of words plus length of total words, and both are in integer obviously. So now print total number of words, print total number of words. So just print total number of words and just type num of words. Now save it and run this. So total number of words 3322. So obviously in this way you can know total number of words of any text file, whether it is rich text format or txt format, it doesn't matter. So this is very simple. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the Be Learning Club channel. A lot of content are here.